Hello everyone, I'm Harini Bhaskaran, a passionate student from Dalhousie University, immersing myself in the fascinating world of computers. Today, I shall give a walkthrough through my innovative experience of integrating AWS cloud services with Internet of Things, aiming to revolutionize agriculture sector, especially in the realm of livestock health monitoring. In the rapidly changing world of agriculture, we witness an increase in the number of IoT devices. This surge is challenging that limits our capabilities of the current technologies on scalability and computational aspects. My thesis shall be an answer to this pressurizing issue, focusing on enhancing sustainable and smart animal farming practices. I'm excited to discuss my work on building scalable and adaptable cloud-based system crafted by using AWS cloud services tailored for meticulous monitoring of livestock health. This isn't just a technological breakthrough, but it's more towards building a sustainable farming methods. By adopting agile methodology, we can closely monitor the essential health factors of the livestock, including the body movement, the heart rate of the animal, and temperature, ensuring their optimal well-being. The essence of this presentation is about the AWS services that I have used and their critical roles in the cutting-edge architecture. The real magic unfolds through Python, which is critical for processing and analyzing the data that is being collected from the sensors which is being attached to the livestock. It just transcends mere numbers. It opens doors to predictive analysis, potentially transforming the livestock care and management. Our experiments have been a revelation, demonstrating the robustness and efficiency of this system in handling vast volumes of data from an increasing array of IoT devices. This project transcends traditional technology. It's about establishing new benchmark in the field of agriculture, thereby pushing farming practices into more technologically advanced and a sustainable era. This thesis project is more than just about constructing a system. It's about crafting a future where technology and agriculture merge seamlessly, leading to not only a healthier livestock, but also a healthier planet. I invite you to join me in this exhilarating exploration of smart agriculture possibilities with AWS Cloud IoT. Let's embark on this journey towards together to build a technology where it nurtures nature. Thank you.